Meet E13's new Quick Fill Plasma Valve. This tool-free valve is engineered to change the game and remove the pain of tubeless tire changes and maintenance. No mess and less time, whether in the work stand or on the trail. Key features include spill-free installation, direct fill from bottle without tools, large diameter section for high flow, tire insert compatibility, CNC machined aluminum alloy construction, 2 lengths fit different rim profiles, 5 anodized colors.
Okay, the tire is on the wheel. Now we just have to add the sealant. Pump the tire, go right. So I'm simply gonna remove the barrel of the plasma valve and we are going to add the plasma liquid. 1 dose should be enough for any 29 of tire. Let's do it. So with the new plasma valve, next time I want to add sealant, I don't even have to pop the bead or remove the tire from the rim. I can simply open the valve just like this, squeeze some new sealant, close it back, pump it back up and go and ride. The new plasma valve from Rémy Métailler.